Here we are at Teaism restaurant for lunch, and we're going to be, right now we're in downtown Washington DC on the corner of D Street and 8th Street, and we're going to go have a nice quiet lunch. We just came from the insanely busy museum area. Here's the Labor Day hours for Labor Day, and here's the menu. We're going to get a much bigger menu inside, so we'll see you in there for our lunch at Teaism restaurant. Fast, casual dining experience.
Oh, great. Okay. All right.
Holistic travel guide here at Teaism restaurant in Washington DC, and we just ordered upstairs, and now we're going to eat our lunch downstairs. Please do not feed the fish. In this very spacious dining area downstairs. And here's what we ordered. This is the salmon bellies with collard stems for $6. And here is the chocolate cake with cinnamon ice cream. And here's the menu. Still having focusing issues. Basically, there's big dishes for about $13. Udon noodle soup. And then there's small dishes for about $6. Broccoli tots, the seared salmon belly with collard stems, which is what we got here. Korean brisket sandwich, vegan cheeseburger, Thai chicken curry, South Indian vegetable curry. So they've got a pretty extensive menu here at Teaism restaurant, and there's the other side of the downtown seating area, and that's about it. See you back at the goldfish pond right over here.